Woodpecker's latest one-time tool, the hole boring jig, is a versatile solution for effortless project assembly operations. Now you'll be making dog hole patterns with near CNC precision. The hole boring jig starts with a sturdy 3/8 inch thick precision milled vanilla template that features 12 holes with 96mm spacing, which are used in conjunction with 2 brass guide bushings. One will machine 20mm holes and the other 3/4 inch holes when using a 1/2 inch diameter router bit. To start the hole pattern, use the pins to index the template, then clamp the template in place. Next, use your router with the guide bushing to begin boring as many holes as possible. Use either the 20mm or 3/4 inch bushings in the milled holes to keep the template in place once your clamps and the edge pins are removed. With all 12 template holes milled, remove the bushings and move the template to your next group holes. Then, use the template bushings in existing holes to index the template for making the next set. Discover the efficiency of multifunction benchtops and work surfaces. The hole boring jig from Woodpeckers, precision made in the USA.
Let's go!
You know that the bench clamp that comes with your Craig Mobile Project Center is great as a hold down. But did you know it's also fantastic for project assembly? That's because you can use the bench clamp to hold the 2 pieces down against the flat surface, to hold them together, and to make sure that the surfaces are perfectly flush. And that's the best way to create a perfect pocket hole joint. Plus, since the bench clamp has Automax technology, you never have to fuss with it when you move from one material to another.
Woodpecker's latest tool, the new DF500 offset base system, makes the revolutionary Festool domino now even better. It provides an amazingly rigid platform that ensures proper mortise geometry even when making large runs of cabinets and furniture parts. And the system comes in a sustainer-style case that stacks and locks perfectly with Festool cases. The DF500 offset base further provides the perfect solution for centering mortises on commonly used net and nominal thickness materials and metric plywoods. Precision machine spacers that connect the DF500 offset base's attachment plate and fence plate are easily switched out. You can cut perfectly centered mortises on nominal 3/4 inch, 23/32 inch plywood, common 12 mm and 18 mm plywood like Baltic birch, and net dimension 3/4 inch and 1/2 inch panels and solid woods. Even more versatility, precision, and repeatability is built into the offset base system when using Woodpecker's outriggers and flipstops. These heavy-duty extruded aluminum outriggers extend up to 54 inches, or 1,350 millimeters on metric models, either right or left of the domino. The perfectly machined flipstops lock in place and have zero lateral play. Now, mortises can be milled in multiple panels and in lumber 8 feet and longer that are precisely located to dependably repeat a pattern.
Milwaukee introduces the M18 Fuel Compact Router, delivering full corded performance with fast, accurate depth adjustments and the runtime to complete 250 feet of 3/8 inch roundover cuts on a single charge. The new M18 Fuel Compact Router comes equipped with a Power State brushless motor and RedLink Plus intelligence. When paired with the Red Lithium M18 XC 5.0 battery pack, the router is able to generate 1¼ horsepower. Achieve fast, accurate adjustments by utilizing the secure macro adjust button and accurate micro adjust dial to set up for the perfect cut. The M18 Fuel Compact Router is compatible with the new plunge base and offset base accessories. Experience the power and accuracy of the M18 Fuel Compact Router with corded performance, fast, accurate depth adjustments, and the runtime to cut up to 250 feet per charge.
Having trouble with your miters? Here's a tip. The key to an accurate 90-degree miter joint isn't two perfect 45-degree cuts. Instead, the important thing is to make two cuts that add up to 90 degrees perfectly. And that's what makes the Rockler 45-degree miter sled such a handy thing to have around. This ingenious tool makes cutting anything but a perfect joint virtually impossible. What's the secret? Simple geometry. The sled's guide faces meet at exactly 90 degrees, giving you a precise reference angle for the two adjoining cuts. Using the leading face to cut one piece and the trailing face to cut the other guarantees a perfectly made joint. Using the miter sled along with a simple positioning block makes cutting frame miters as easy as it gets. With this foolproof method, you'll be able to cut perfectly square, perfectly sized frames one after another in a matter of minutes. The miter sled's guide bar fits in a standard 3/8 by 3/4 inch miter slot and is outfitted with adjustable nylon pins for a snug, wobble-free fit. For added convenience, the sled base has two through slots that allow clamping right down to the surface of the saw. And here's a tip. Apply a strip of self-adhesive sandpaper to each of the fence faces. You'll get even more stability with both clamped on and handheld stock. Skip the setup hassles and test cuts and start cutting perfect miters the easy way. With Rockler's innovative 45-degree miter sled, you'll cut dead-on square joints each and every time.